On the behalf of SDFI, I welcome to all of you at 68 National School Games Under 19 Girls Sepak Takraw, Kohima, Nagaland. This is the first time when I say the arrangement was made by organizing committee is superb. Like food, stay, transportation, everything in management beautifully well. Second, this is the first time also in my journey that all the teams who are registered themselves, they are participating. That no team is absent from this tournament, those who are registration. That means 17 teams are participating and all are coming. So ये बहुत अच्छा एक मैसेज है कि इसी तरीके से हम लगातार अपने पार्टिसिपेशंस को और आगे बढ़ाएं. अभी तो सिर्फ 17 ही हैं. टोटल वी है 45 यूनिट्स इन SDFI इन विच ओनली 17 टीम्स आर रजिस्टर्ड. सो मैं इन फ्यूचर ये चाहूँगा कि ये रजिस्ट्रेशन और पार्टिसिपेशंस के नंबर और बढ़ें जिससे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल सके. अगेन नागालैंड गवर्नमेंट और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटीज़ को बहुत साधुवाद कि उन्होंने इस तरीके का आयोजन किया, एक भव्य आयोजन किया और हम सभी को यहाँ पर आने का मौका दिया. थैंक यू सो मच.
We are not just celebrating a sport. We are celebrating the spirit of youth, the dedication of excellence, and the limitless potential of our young athletes. Let these games be an opportunity to build bonds that go beyond the court. Bonds that connect athletes from different states, cultures, and backgrounds. This is where diversity meets the spirit of oneness. Let's make this 68th National School Games a celebration to remember. On behalf of everyone here, I wish all the teams the very best. May the best team win. Jai Hind.
This morning, I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister and informed him that I will be attending the opening program of the 68th National School Games of Sepak Takraw here in the Indira Gandhi Stadium. He asked me to personally convey his best wishes to all the participants, the officials, the team managers and the players. On behalf of my Chief Minister, on behalf of the Nagaland Olympic Association and on behalf of the Government of Nagaland, I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you who have come from different parts of the country to Nagaland. Nagaland is called the land of festivals. We are a small state in the far corner of the country. Of 17 tribes, many sub-tribes, of about 2 million people and a little over 16,000 square kilometers. We are a small state, but we are an important contributor to India's national nation-building process. I want you to come back one day with more friends, with more family, and enjoy the festivals that we have. Tell your family, tell your parents to come and visit Nagaland. Because India is a country of 1.5 billion people. But today, out of that 1.5 billion, each of you are an ambassador of India's unity. Because sport has the power to unify people. It brings people, states, teams together. Today, you are going to play Sepak Takraw. Your language is Sepak Takraw. Your language is sport, not Gujarati, not Oriya, not Rajasthani, not Naga. Your language is sport, your language is Sepak Takraw, and through you, India is unified here in Kohima. Thank you very much, all the best, Kuklalin, Jai Hind. I am happy to declare the 68th National School Games Sepak Takraw open. May everybody celebrate the sport.
मेरा नाम उमा देवी है, मैं आंध्र प्रदेश से हूँ. I have interest in this game. This game is very amazing, so I join in this game. This is very awesome and I very learn in this game.
Team won, so it's a wonderful time for all of us. I thank the director for inviting me to be part of the event, and I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our School Games Federation of India, Himanshu and Goswami. They are from UP and Tripura. We had our referee Sana Yamba, international referee. Then we have our own national referees who are here. So it was a very interesting game. I was told that 17 teams participated from near and far as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and as far as Rajasthan. The Rajasthan director was also here. That's what I was told. But ultimately, we ended up with Maharashtra winning the third place, and we just witnessed this too. What I've noticed is in Nagaland, their points combined, they did not even reach 50. But anyway, don't be disappointed. We know that in the business of school education, we have a lot to do. And for that, we are encouraging sports, and things are happening. We know that India is a billion plus population, but the kind of sporting events, the kind of prizes we are getting, it is improving. Likewise, if we look at Nagaland, we are also improving our beats. Our neighbor, Manipur, they are winning laurels for our country. We are very proud of them. And so, although we may be small states, it is a great opportunity for us to be hosting the first ever national school sports game here. So I want to congratulate particularly our director, my brother Deputy who has brought this game here. He was also what we call the national manager who took the national team to Thailand last month. So
They want to give the arrangement of this, the arrangement of Nagaland about the particular game was so excellent. The food and the food were also good. We loved Nagaland. Don't want to go in Maharashtra.
So how was your experience playing in the national level?
We saw so good, excellent players which are playing very good. So we have to improve our game more and more.
Is Sepak Takraw a very popular game in Maharashtra?
No, actually.
So how did you start playing Sepak Takraw?
8th standard, I started my game. I started my game from 6th standard.
Do you want to continue playing this game?
Hello, my name is Prajam Devika Devi, and this is Pony, and this is Radha Lakshmi, and this is J. Senipur Devi, and this is and Malangambi. We are very excited and very happy. We won today's 68 National School Game held in Nagaland. We are very excited.
Firstly, I was introduced to Sepak Takraw by Karunesh Sir, who has also been an India player. He introduced me to this game, and just after a few days I found it very exciting, cheerful and extraordinary apart from others' game. It has much more agility and skills. Thus I was attracted immediately to this game. And I would like to say about the Nagaland Association, they have held a wonderful program of the 68th National School Games here in Indira Gandhi Stadium, Kohima, Nagaland. It was a wonderful stay here. Thank you.
My experience was very good. The association was giving best facility to us. The transportation, the food, everything was just amazing.
Thank you.
Myself, Himanshu Shukla. I'm appointed here as a SDFI field officer. So first, I'll congratulate to the Nagaland government that conducted such a beautifully and smoothly conduction of the 68th National Games Sepak Takraw under 19 girls. I'll also congratulate the team and managers of the various units, those who are coming, bringing their team here to participate. I congratulate to Manipur, those who won this events, and Nagaland also is the runner of this event, and Maharashtra got secured the third place. Bihar is in the semi-final, and the last fourth team is there. So I'll congratulate the director of your state's sports, who is actually beautifully manage all these things like food, the boarding of the students, and the officials. Officials are also very good. Some of the international officials are officiating here, so this is the big achievement for us and Nagaland government, that you are such a organize beautiful events. I hope in future you are also organize such kind of events here.
Sir, you must have attended many national level Sepak Takraw and other games. So you are here for the national level Sepak Takraw in Nagaland. Is there any improvement or anything you want to comment for the state?
There is always some improvement scopes in any events. Like if you have organized an international events, then you have also a scope to improve yourself. That what you extra to do for the players, for the coaches and for the officials. But this time you do very well organize all these things. So I must say it's a victory for SDFI and victory for the Nagaland government that you organize this kind of this type of events.
Sir, also the scope of Sepak Takraw for both boys and girls. Sir, what do you think can be improved, and what are some benefits that people can go forward for this?
There is always benefit when you playing a sports, in any sports, in any discipline. If you are a player, so Mr. Astu said that, Astu as a philosopher said that a healthy mind resides in healthy body. So you doesn't have a healthy body, so healthy mind cannot reside in them. So sports is always encouraged to help. If you're talking about the Sepak Takraw, it's a more concentrative and balancing game. Okay? Like if you lose the concentration, you lose the ball. Okay? So more concentration will be there. In particular other games, the concentration, endurance, speed also there. But in Sepak Takraw, concentration is more important than the other things. I think so. And if we are talking about the scope of the Sepak Takraw games, so it is an Asian games. Okay? Asian country has played this. In might be future Olympic is also started.
Okay.